In this video, we're changing the oil on a 2007 Nissan Versa, and we're going to start off by driving onto some staggered 2x4s. Just shows you guys you don't necessarily have to have a jack in order to do this stuff. And the tools we're using are a 10 and 14 millimeter socket, a ratchet, and a universal oil filter wrench, along with some of those Walmart brand gloves. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the oil filler cap to give us that smooth flow of oil.
I'm gonna hold the light the whole time so it gets better.
Now, when you're only 3 to 4 inches off the ground, like we are with these 2x4s, you're at some pretty awkward angles. I went ahead and grabbed a wrench to put over the end of the ratchet to get a little more leverage.
Nice. Nice.
Now I accidentally dropped the drain bolt into the oil, which I don't normally do, but we can get that out no problem. Alright, so if you do drop your oil drain bolt into the oil, you can fish it out with a plastic fork of some sort. Now we reused our crush washer on this one. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the surface there and start threading the bolt back in. Give it a nice smooth torque motion. Not going crazy with it, just nice and snug. So here's a look down at our oil filter. And I went ahead and took off this little splash guard to give us some extra clearance and to help make it easier to show you guys in the video.
So just taking off those 3 bolts, like, will give me enough room to get my hand up there. I'm not worried about taking all of them off. But we're gonna use this oil filter wrench. It's a Hyper Tough that I got at Walmart for about $5. Has a 3/8 inch drive socket, so just go ahead and put it onto your ratchet, and it'll pretty much form to the shape of the filter. And hope it works.
Now, I will be honest with you guys, this oil filter wrench is pretty janky. I mean, it worked. It did enough to loosen it to the point where I could use the glove and my hand to just take it from there, but it was definitely janky. All in all, it probably took about a minute of fiddling around with it before I got it loose enough to turn it with my hand.
Hold it right there. I'm recording it right there.
Got it? Yeah.
Oh, Murray. That's Murray, dude. That'll help if you can do that. Can you see it? Yep. Cool. spread that on there. Nice.
Right.
Give it a nice
Got our
shake.
green jug, Castrol GTX high mileage. Versa's getting spoiled today.
Now, the oil capacity for this Versa should be right around 4.1 quarts with the filter. But of course, we're gonna check the dipstick before and after starting and make sure that you're between the low and the high marks. And as long as everything checks out, you should be all set.